Hey guys, this is Brony Fan Forever 1, and today we're going to be taking a walk on the western half of the flood wall. Let's go. As you can see, they're building apartments there. This apartment right here, this is where an old factory used to stand, but they tore it down to make a apartment. And it's going to be 14 floors. So I hope you guys are having a fantastic start of your weekend. And the reason why we're going to be walking on the western half of the flood wall is because I'm going to show you the view from the wall. Plus, I want to see how high the river is, because we had a big huge thing of rain for the past couple of days. So I wanted to show you how high the river is. Let's take a look at this water canal real quick. This used to be full of water, but now it's all empty. Right? So that's going to be the parking garage right there, looking towards Halsey and the river. Yeah. All right, let's continue on. It's a little it's chilly here this morning. I say it's like in the mid 40s, but it's going to be a nice day with the sun shining and all that kind of stuff. All right, so as we are walking on the flood wall here, I'm going to give you a couple updates real quick. For my channel, I'm not going to be posting a lot of videos because due to with me don't have a job and all that kind of stuff, it's going to be harder for me to get around places. So as of right now, if I have like the day off or something like that, I'll do a quick train trip or something like that. So my uploads are going to be sparse throughout the whole year, but we're going to manage to upload a couple videos. And also, I want to ask you guys a question. Since Valentine's Day is next Friday, I was wondering, for all my subscribers out there, I was wondering, do you have that special someone or a person that you love? Let me know, because I want to see what you guys do for your Valentines. Right, so let's continue on. And here's the stairs that we have to go up to get to the flood wall. There's only 4 flights of steps, which is fine. Let's go. Oh yeah, the river is up. Here's the view from the river. As you can see, it's high. Don't really see it, but it's high. All right, let's continue. I'm going to give you guys a history thing real quick. This flood wall was constructed in about the 1950s, because they wanted to have the point where Richmond doesn't have trouble with flooding, because in the past Richmond had a history of big huge floods that happened, especially on this section of Manchester. Because I remember a long time ago where you see the 14th Street Bridge, the river would rise up to the railings on the bridge, and that's how high the river got during the early years. So that's why Richmond built this flood wall. So when the river gets to a height, so the water doesn't reach the road section here. All right, let's continue. As you can see, they've been busy building new apartment buildings, condos, condominiums, and all that kind of stuff. And that's why the section of Manchester looks so different. It's because they've been building these condos. I'm sorry. Sorry, I said condoms, sorry. So over there you can see there's the Norfolk Southern yard. All the cars that come into this yard right here come from the Roanoke area, aka Crewe. Once the Norfolk Southern gets to Burkesville, he gets onto a connection track that will take him all the way down to here. So that means Amelia and all that. So as you can see, the Norfolk Southern, the yard is completely empty, no local owners or anything. Okay, there's some water coming up, so what I gotta do something to get around it, because my shoes really aren't good anymore. The shoes that I'm wearing. As you can see by my foot, I'm sneaky shoe. Water will sneak under it. So that's why I gotta do something with her. So when I get up to this puddle, I'm going to stop the video and then I'll be back and continue filming. See you guys then. Bye.